I'm sitting on the edge of a Simmons Beautyrest 12-inch plush factory select mattress. The edge support is very solid. I don't feel like I'm rolling off this bed or crushing it as I sit on it. On my back, I feel very comfortable. This is kind of a medium firm mattress to me, not too hard, not too soft, and I feel like I'm getting great back support in the small of my back, my hips, and my shoulders. This would be a very comfortable mattress for my body type. On my side, for a medium firmness mattress, I am not getting a whole lot of pressure on my shoulders, which is surprising. I feel good support under the small of my back and my hips. So this mattress, for my body type, seems to support very well. Overall, this mattress had great support for me. I think someone of my body type would love this mattress. Feels good pressure relief, good back support, and I don't feel like I'm rolling out of the bed at all. So overall, I give this the thumbs up.
We hope this video was helpful, but if you do have any other questions, please feel free to reach out to us. We can be contacted at 1-800-455-1052. You can leave us a comment below, or you can reach out to one of our chat representatives during normal business hours.